Hello, hello. Um, Today I'll be going through day 7. I've finished it, and I look through Steve's Steve 7411 code of day 7. It it looks it looks a bit intimidating for me, not gonna lie, but I understand the syntax, so I hope there is no we call it. I hope there's no types. No, it's okay. I forgot the name of this, but like, yeah, that that thing. So anyway, uh, first I'll go over my code and yeah, that it works now for me for part 2. For what I changed. So basically, the problem was okay. So there was another. This was one edge case. Was another one. I think forgot what it was. So basically, what I was doing here is counting one pair of two twos and also adding the J to the amount of the same cards. So I had 3 cards of the same type, right? So that's supposed to be um, 3 of a kind, but what my code did, it counted this as a pair and also counted this as 3 cards. So it actually gave me a full house. So I have 3 cards, one 3 of a kind and one pair, full house, right? That's not what I wanted, obviously. So I basically added here. I've just hard coded it. I actually there's almost certainly a better uh, solution than this, but I added if it is of the same suit. If I have one pair of if I have one or more pairs, the same suit will be 2, and I have one joker, exactly one joker, then I'm gonna subtract for my pairs. So I have one less pair. And that gave me the answer. And I gotta do it before I update the sim. Um, what else? That was the only change. Yeah. Oh, the other I remember the other edge case was actually with uh, this sort of, I think, because if I have no, I don't remember. Oh, I didn't do that. Right, I didn't do that, and it was a problem because then it wouldn't count full houses. This works now. I'll upload it to Git later. Without the input, of course, it's ignore. And let's jump into Steve's code. I commented out, so I want my man to run, but read it. Uh, so this is just counting the amount of time executes. Auto hands, read hands, data.txt. So data.txt is my input. Where is hands? This is so it returns vector. I actually didn't know. Is that like a vector or a vector? This returns a vector. You're enclosing it in uh, squiggly. How do you call it? Squiggly. Fuck. Uh, this thing. I forgot how you call it. uh, so yeah, this thing. So I didn't know you can do that. I mean, I don't know what is to become a vector returns, or is the vector of vectors? No, I'm not sure, but I guess it's a vector. Um, okay, so read hands, if stream. I'm using f stream. Seems the same. Skip BOM. I have no idea what that is. Let's see the definition. Oh, it's inside here. I thought that maybe it's part of the standard library for some reason. Okay, so we have uint BOM. I don't know what BOM stands for, but those are those what you call them? Uh, addresses? Those addresses to memory? Yeah, okay. So running through that. S stream get not equals C. S C. Well, that's part of it. I have no idea what skip BOM even is. So vector of end reserve 1000. Wait, is that? Yeah, that's C++, but that's seems like C. Reserve like your. Is that like allocating a memory or something for the vector? Maybe, I don't know. In place back file. Okay. While file. Uh, File close and return vector. Okay. I don't exactly get it, but I get the idea of this. Just basically um inputting the data into hands. Sort. Pair without wildcards. Okay, so that's the part one. Compare without wildcards. Turn compare A B false. There. Okay. Use wildcards. Okay, so this is the compare first and the second hand, and this is just if using wildcards. So A type equals use wildcard. If so, then type with wildcards, else A dot type. Okay. If A type not equals B type, turn static cast. I don't know what static cast is. Doing 64. I mean, I get you convert a type to int 64, but I never used that. I don't know. I don't know what casting is. I mean, no is a big word. I have an idea of what cast is. Let's just so if they're not equal, then I'm turning what exactly supposed to return a boolean. So oh so basically A type is less than B type. So we'll return if A is weaker than B. Okay. Const auto reference. Ooh, so that's if they are equal, then A card and B card would mismatch. A begin. B card begin. Turn. Okay, if A card equals A card's end, so I guess it didn't. A card a. Okay, so I'm saying he. I'm sorry if that's another pronoun. Um, didn't didn't ask him yesterday, and today is not yet. I'll use they. I'll try. Remember. So A card and B card. Declaring here. Then mismatch, I guess, checks for if those have like say, the same card. So right, what I'm guessing. Um, A card equals A cards, and if so, then return false. So if did get to the end, uh, turning false. So if didn't find the mismatch, turn false. So I guess didn't find a mismatch, then maybe I mean it's never supposed to be here. I'm guessing. That's my best guess of what this is doing. I've also never heard about mismatch. Else get card value, a card pointer to a wait, a card is a oh it's a so get card value of a card, so dereferencing. Use wild card, get card value. So get card value is this. Have card and use wild cards, and this is basically converting the card smaller than A. Turn card reference this. This is I don't understand. Switch card basically 10, 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace, return 14. If it's Jack, then it's 1, else it's 11. Of a throw invalid card value. So this is just a regular int, not int, just value between 2 and 9. This is the letter cards. So I mean, I get what it's doing. Not sure exactly how, but again, checks here if get card value. Oh, I get it. Okay, okay. It stops the moment it finds a mismatch, and when it finds a mismatch, it compares the values of those two mismatched cards. Okay, okay. I got it. And if it doesn't find a mismatch, then it's supposed to return false. For some reason. Why? I mean, it means they're the same exact card. It's supposed to be some error or something here. Or maybe I'm missing something. So yes, so I'm sorting hands based on this one. Okay, calculate winnings hands. Oh, wait. Oh, that's. I'm guessing that's the. Uh, that's part one. That's part two. And okay, calculate winnings. What is it? Oh, and yeah, those are two different functions. Will pass in true and okay. So calculate winnings is vector of hands, sum unsigned in 64, sum 0 in I, hand size. That's just it knows that it's already sorted, so basically almost identical to what probably everyone did. Um, last one I didn't look at and I guess and type is uint and type I forgot the word, inheriting from uint64t. Okay, so cards, 5. Okay, so 1. Okay, and type. So this stuff, and type with the wild cards. Okay, and the bid. Right tuple. Given two values, so why not? Why not a pair? You'll be assuming little Indian, deal with it. I have no idea what that means. Uh, classify. Where's classify used? And break and oh, that's whole thing inside the okay. So is stream get cards data size of cards plus 1. Uh, what? Turning into sharp pointer cards dot data. Where cards dot data size of cards plus 1. Bid stream ignore merc limit type with okay. I don't understand this. Maybe I'll set at least classify card counts 15. Zero, 4 constant cards. Auto card count. Cards plus get card value. Minus one counts plus counts. I don't know. This I don't understand. Okay, so that's all I was able to understand. Um, this is definitely above, way above my level of what I can understand. But I'm guessing this is a really big part of the code and how to manipulate this. Pretty cool. Nice. Well done. Okay, let's go to day 8. Stream name. Hmm. Day 8, 7, 8. Okay. Um, I read it I read it when it came out on day 8, so 4 days ago. Well, I remember, but I know part 2 is supposed to be hard. I think, I don't know. Day 8. You're still riding a camel across Desert Island when you spot a sandstorm quickly approaching. When you turn to warn the elf, she disappears before your eyes. To be fair, she had just finished warning you about ghosts a few minutes ago. One of the camel's pouches is labeled Maps. Sure enough, it's full of documents, your puzzle input, about how to navigate the desert. At least you're pretty sure that's what they are. One of the documents contain a list of left right instructions, and the rest of the documents seem to describe some kind of network of labeled nodes. It seems like you're meant to use left right instructions to navigate the network. Perhaps if you have a camel, follow the same instructions, you can escape the haunted wasteland. After examining the maps for a bit, two nodes stick out, AAA and ZZZ. You feel like AAA is where you are now, and you have to follow the left right instruction until you reach triple Z. This format defines each node of the network individually, for example, right left. Starting with triple A, you need to look up the next element based on the next left instruction in your input. This example start with triple A and go right, choosing the right element of AAA. So here we go here. Left means L means to choose left elements of triple C, triple Z. By following the left right instructions, you reach triple Z in 2 steps. Of course, you might not find the triple Z right away. If you run out of left right instruction, repeat the whole sequence of instructions as necessarily. Right left really means right left right left right left right and so on. For example, here is a situation that makes 6 steps to reach triple Z. Okay. So I start with A, left B, triple B, then left is triple A, right is triple B, left is triple A, left is B. Wait, no. Wait, again. Left is triple B, left is triple A, right is triple B, left is triple A, left is triple B, right is triple Z. Okay. Starting in triple A, follow the left right instructions. How many steps are required to reach? Okay. Um I know an easy solution, but I'm afraid it's gonna bite me in the ass if I use it now for part 1. Um how is it called? Called Haunted Wasteland. Haunted Wasteland. So Haunted Waste. Save. Okay, let's go to video. Um, only gonna create just a second. I want to move my. Okay, and here I'm gonna just remove. Okay, so I'm gonna create a header file. Um, and them into the wasteland. Okay, header HTTP pragma once. File include haunted wasteland. Okay, need is it um and namespace waste. Tired of giving namespaces long names. He'll do. Maybe I probably don't even need this, but whatever. So what I'm going to do, um, my idea of what to do is create a map and assign each of the combinations uh, uh, what sign. So we need a map even. Wait. Um, is it NQT? What's the values? So I'm saying go left this. So oh oh the values should be right. The values should be this. So actually a pair of values. Those pair of values are actually the keys for the next element to go to. Now, problem is if this is the best approach because it will fuck me over. I think at part two. Other thing I can do is assign a number for each combination possible. So from AAA to triple Z, lot of numbers, but know how to do it because that's like 26 letters, right? But it's 26 letters, but only 3 digits, so it's not like 3 letters and 3 digits. Or I don't know. I don't know. That's I'm gonna try them up, and then we'll see at part two how it goes. So I don't think I need a class here. It's not now. So void parse input. I'm gonna give it. First of all, I'm gonna give it string. Oh, I didn't include anything here. Oops. Include string. Include your stream. Include include fstream. Include what else? Vector. Include map. For now it's enough, I think. So include string. Call it instructions and map. Pair. String. String. The oh, first value is just okay, and call it how will I call it? Direction. Direction. Okay. Um, and it should be enough. I'll go with you int. It's 40 calc sum of steps. Okay, here. Now I'll turn 0. This is waste when okay. Oh no. I don't know how it's supposed to be like that. Guess. Nah, fuck it. Okay. Better. Okay, so copy from I never remember this. So this is haunted waste file. And if haunted waste file dot is open, I'll create a string current line. So first line is so instruction. Oh, actually, I can just get line haunted with file current line this backslash n instructions equal current line this this. Okay, so I am now supposed to start here and problem there. So okay, so the first, oh, it's always okay, it's always the same. So um that's 0 to 3. Wait, how do I do it? Subs works. So when position of the first character to be copied as a substring, it is equal to string. Number of characters included in the substring. Okay, so this. Okay, so position and of values. So um, okay, so the string current place equals current line dot substring starts at 0 goes to 3, right? um substring does not change string itself. So let me actually check it. Okay. So dot string I think c s dot substring out. Yeah, it doesn't. I mean, I was pretty sure about it, but I just want to check if it doesn't actually change the string. Okay, so current place string left direction equals, let's see, that's 0 1 2 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it starts at 8. So it starts at 8, goes for 3, and this is, so that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, 13 is after 12. So that's 13, and it's for 3. Now, on, oops, no, just directions at, oh, that's right. Right direction. So directions at current place equals to left direction, right direction. Okay, this is supposed to be enough. And now in here, I'm gonna create this. Problem expected up. What do I do? Oh, here. Okay, semicolon. So, wasteland, parse input, instructions and direction. And uint 64t num of steps. No, I don't want to run it. So equals 0. And uh, stood string current place. It starts with a while current place not equal triple z or z. Say z or z. I don't know. It instruction index equals 0. So I am going to switch instructions at instruction index case L current place equals direction at current, wait, yeah, direction at current place dot first break case R is current place equals direction at current place dot second. So the first is the left direction supposed to be, right? And the right direction is second. And at current place, it will be like at current place, I'll have a pair. of left and right, and based on the direction, I'm gonna choose the correct one. And default, I'm gonna correct direction and line. Okay, here I'm gonna sum of steps plus instruction index if instruction index more than direction dot size, then just instruction index equal to resetting it back. Okay, and just return steps. Okay, supposed to work technically. Let's hope I don't have put in like 2 hours of debug. Please, I beg. So wanted wasteland. Wasteland. Uh, correct instruction. Subscript out of range. Okay. What is that? And I'm guessing it reads. Let's go use the sample. Um. Oh. You. Okay. So. Oh. Okay. Instruction. Instruction. Input wanted. Okay. That's. Oh. But the right left thing. Okay. Right left. Okay. So now bug instructions right left. Oh. Oops. Okay. So I'm supposed to go. Well. Here. Oop. Okay. So instructions are correct. So this is AAA. This is that's at 7. Okay, 2. Nice. Now sample. Oh, correct instruction. Oh yeah. What about the other sample? Left, left. Second sample here. Second. Okay. Let's see if this crashes. Does. That's not the sample. Doesn't crash. What the fuck? Incorrect instruction. And 7 is not correct. I have you don't say, but the it's supposed to be 6 and it gives me 7 and also goes into the default. Not break here. To break, so that's A B B B B A. Okay, now of steps. A instruction checks. So it is left, but my direction. Okay, so it's supposed to be now B of steps 1. Okay, it's still not said. Then I'm going again left. It's A. That is correct. Steps index. Oh wait, why bigger than equal? Oh yeah, equal to set. My bad. Let's run this now. Whoa, still crashes. Oh nice. String subscript out of range. Um, all right. Let's. What amount of instruction? It's a lot of instruction. Right, left, right, right. Well, I guess it will gonna take me some time. Hmm. Okay. Let's start here. Here. The size 1, 3, 8. I'll take a while. A little while. How would it read incorrectness? Oh, you don't see it, but there's seems to be an extra empty character. So 1. Not -1 here. Nope, that's not the problem. Uh, equal one. Why would it fail? Okay, let's. Um, Position if struct x equals to 7. 296. That 90 doesn't get to 290. What about 20? Okay. Five. Three. Two. Wait, why is it off by one here? Oh, wait. 295. 95. Instruction index equals to 3, let's say. Okay, so incorrect. Wait, what? It's instruction. Three. Uh, why would it return? I have 292. Okay, I have 292, and now didn't go over the size limit. What's size is 293. Size is 293, but it didn't. 292. I mean, wait. Okay, what about third condition? Uh, instruct index equals to 292. Okay, what now? I have 292, 293, but no, wait. Oh, oh, fuck. Wait, what? David. Oh, shit. Damn, I'm stupid. Took me 20 minutes, I think, of debugging this shit. I will never get rid of this. Okay, this is my output. Uh, um, okay, let's be correct. It is correct. Thanks. It was quite easy, part one, if I'm not accounting for the stupid mistake again. Okay, part two. Let's that about the sandstorm is upon you and you aren't any closer to escaping the wasteland. With a camel, with the camel follow the instruction, but you've barely left your starting position. You're going to take significantly more steps to escape. What if the map isn't for people? What if the map is for ghosts? And ghosts even bound by the laws of space-time? Only one way to find out. After examining the maps a bit longer, your attention is drawn to a curious fact. The number of nodes with the same ending in A is equal to the number ending in Z. Uh, okay, if you were a ghost, you would just start at every node that ends with A and follow all of the paths at the same time until they all simultaneously end with Z. For example, let's think. Here there are two starting nodes, 11A and 22A. Because they both end with A, as you follow each left right instruction, use that instruction to simultaneously navigate away from both nodes currently on. Repeat this process until all of the nodes you're currently on end with Z. If only some of the nodes you're on end with Z, they act like another node and you continue as normal. In this example, you would proceed as follows. Step 0, 11A and 22A. Okay. You choose all of the left paths leading you to 11B and 22B. Um, B and 2. Okay. You choose all of the left paths leading you to 11Z and 22C. The right button. Uh, 11Z and D. So in this example, you end up entirely on nodes that end in Z after 6 steps. Okay. What should I do? What should I do? Good question. Don't know. Okay. No idea. Um. Okay. So if I start, I have I can have like a vector of all entities. Start nodes that end with. Let me wait. Let me go over to. There are two start number of nodes with answered. Okay, so I just create a vector of entities that stand on those nodes and update them. Okay. Maybe can do it. Maybe. Calc num of steps, part 2, and this one name part 1. Okay. So create this in here. Wasteland. Okay. So let's start with signing effect entity. Actually, I can do it in here. I'm gonna pass a vector of entities. Part 1, it will be just one entity. Uh, change stuff. I don't like changing stuff that works. Um, yeah, let's just go. Uh, uh, vector string uh, ghost places. Uh, problem if the ghost if there are a lot of ghosts, because after each step I need to check that every one of them ends at D, right? That'll be a bit slow, I think. Oh god. Okay. Let's do this and let's try it at least. Uh okay, so for photo is it wait, I have it uh, here. Const auto. I don't so wait. Const auto reference uh directions direction in directions in directions. Yes, and here it is. Okay. So, if direction dot first at 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 2 equals a, then ghost places push back direction dot first. Okay. 8 boolean are ghosts z pass in vector vector string ghost place, and here paste it wasteland. So this I'm gonna just check if everything ends on Z. So for ghost, let's just call it ghosts. 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 Okay, so const auto ghost in ghosts uh, of lang equals true if ghost at 2 not equals Z, return false, and here just like actually, and here return true. So wherever goes to second place equals z, then return 2. Wait, am I supposed to z or the same place? Let every node use a bit. Start on every node that ends with A. How many steps does it take before you're only on nodes that end with Z? Uh, so that is so this, and now I'm going to do basically what I did here. So while I'm gonna call it our ghosts on Z. Yes, when ghosts on Z, ghosts. While ghosts are not on Z. While ghosts are not on Z, going to him. Oh, and I didn't instruction index. Instruction index equals 0. So switch instructions at instruction index. Case left. If it is left, I am going to make a for loop for each ghost const. That's not though. Change them. For int I actually. T I equals 0. I is ghosts plus pretty much this is operand. Ghost dots. Okay, so basically ghosts I equal to direction oh, I did it here. Basically directions directions at ghost at I dot first. That's first. This even that. Here is a break, and for right, basically the same. Just go for a case. Go for the second. Break default out wrong direction. End line. Break, and here I just add. Oh, and I need to count number of steps. Print for the number of steps. Here I'm going steps plus fill inside switch. Sum of steps plus and instruction index plus plus. If instruction index is greater or equal instructions dot size, then instruction index equals 0. Did I do it correctly this time? I think so. Okay. Now, will it take less than a century to run? I don't know. I'm gonna check now. There is a error. Must return a value. Oops, I don't return anything here. Oops. Turn name of. Okay. Oh god. It takes some time. I'll probably need to change that. Okay, I'll give it I'll give it time to run while I think about what to change. Uh how do I do it? Problem is basically here. I think because maybe also here and here. As I go through each ghost and change. Hmm. No. What should I do? I'm gonna end the stream in 10 minutes. I have 10 minutes to think about something. What to do? Why did they show it like 1-1? I'll not run for 10 minutes. Hmm. Can I somehow change all of them without going through all of them? I don't think. Can I at least check? Probably don't even know if it's an infinite loop or just takes a lot of time. Actually, let check amount of ghosts that that I have only 6 ghosts, but it takes that much time. There's no way. I mean, in an infinite loop for some reason. Um, Why am I in an loop? Did I do something wrong? Ghost can a ghost end up on the same tile? Then they like gather. It is possible, I guess. Let's check ghosts. Okay. I'm trying to search uh um for something that comes again. Yes. I'm not gonna remember if I see something again. Yes. Yes. Let's remember SDS. Okay. Okay. QCP was QCP. Let's check QCP. Oh wait, let's check. Okay. Because someone goes to a place that starts with. Right. Go and check. Direction. Ghost. Okay. So at first at 2 equals to A. Then a gotcha. Oh. Then line. Comment. Okay. Now it's supposed to. No, it's doesn't write it. Why 6 ghosts takes so much time? Fuck. Why is it like that? I don't. Doesn't seem any of them start pay. And why dot just take. But let me check uh, this and me out. Oh my fucking hell! I can't. Number of steps. Okay, now it's like a 200,000. Okay, I copied one of them. Let's see if 200,000 is too much. This is too low. Okay, I am counting too slowly. Uh, I don't know how to do it. I'm out of time for today. Gotta go. Thank you everyone who watched today, and I'll try to finish it tomorrow. Hopefully, I don't know if I'll stream tomorrow, but although I'll try to find a solution for this tomorrow. And watching everyone, this will be on YouTube. If you have any questions or answers, feel free to. um, uh, bye bye.